The Barkan full motion mount is exceptionally long and stable with 2 arms. The motions which the mount enables are rotate, fold, swivel, and a tool-free tilt adjustment. Main features of the mount are a patented mechanism to fit both flat and curved screens, extra wide wall plate and 2 strong arms for extra stability, fall-proof inner structure that prevents disengagement of the screen, cable management, extremely extendable to allow viewing from a variety of places and angles. A 65-inch TV can rotate up to 60 degrees. Very low profile when folded. Screen leveling, a built-in mechanism to adjust the screen. The mount can also be mounted on a corner. The mount has a lifetime warranty. If you want to see more of our products, visit our website.